Let's make a high-protein post-workout meal. I'm using FitCal's AI recipe to give me an idea of what I want to make. I was filling some sort of spaghetti or pasta. Here are the ingredients I'm using. We want this pasta to be really high in protein, so this is perfect for that. Just preparing and cooking up all our ingredients. With only 3 ingredients, this is a really simple meal to make. Now that everything's cooked, we could finally put everything together and bring this pasta to life. After mixing everything together, I just added some cheese and sriracha. Now using FitCal, we're gonna snap a picture of our finished bowl to track our macros. FitCal makes staying on track easy and enjoyable.